I didn't have too much romaine today, but I gave her the rest of it. I'm gonna buy some more. It's like little bite-sized morsels for her. Little bite-sized morsels? Hey, Mama. She don't mind when her food has a little dirt on it. I'm sorry I didn't have too much. Too much. She likes the leaves. She don't like the white part. That's what she wants, see? That's funny. That's the part I like too. The leaf part, not the white crunchy part. You like your romaine, honey? Can hear you crunching, munching. A few days ago I saw a couple other bunnies, but Mama Rabbit is very territorial. She does not want other bunnies around. You sleepy, honey? Oh, take it sleepy. I like when she closes her little eye. Okay, sleepy. Rest your little eye, honey. You can take a little rest. We're so cute. I heard like a little bird come to say hi again. Hi, little bird. You gonna chirp for me today? Come here, little bird. You can chirp for me. Oh, birds. Oh, Mockingbird. We're taking a nap, baby. You can take a little nap, Mama. I'll talk to you later. I'll see you later.